Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be having a case study and live execution example of the MW Futures liquidity scalping algorithm. I give access to this script every month to 5 people, so if you want to also make use of this script, make sure to follow me on X, and around the 20th of every month I will set out a message so that you can apply to get a trial license of this particular script. So just keep an lookout for that, and yeah, let's go into the review right now. So this is a case study of January the 27th on Monday, and this is a day where big tech dropped overnight a lot due to the DeepSeek release, and it gave us a very large opening range gap of around 600 to 700 handles. But it is very nice to see that once we go to the opening candle of 933, or at least at 9:30 the opening candle is there, of course, you will see that our default settings saying that the weekly, daily, custom and midnight opening price are all bullish. We are currently in our trading period sessions. We are currently trading, so we should pay attention for signals that are being provided by the algorithm. And let's see once the first signal is placed and how it is actually sent. So around 9:59, the first signal, the first alert has been sent to take a limit order of 6 contracts to the upside. And let's have a little breakdown of what's actually happening. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liquidity pools to the downside, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liquidity pools to the upside. So that means that we have more buy side liquidity than sell side liquidity. Incorporate that with the bullish bias and a finalized bias that's bullish, meaning that we are allowed to trade today. So we get this signal, we place our limit order at 21,238.25, and it takes some time before we get tagged in, but then eventually at the 10:19 mark we are tagged in. We have a little bit of drawdown of, let's see, around 9.5 handles. Within, let's see, that is in 4 minutes we have hit our first TP, and in the next candle you will see that we have put our stop to break even, and price basically just continues to rise. New liquidity pools created around 10:32. We just keep taking profits. So right now, of the 6 contracts that were in, we have already taken off 3. Now we have taken off 4, and from here on, price will actually go back, and eventually we will hit our stop loss. So this is a very good example, very good case study of how many liquidity pools are there to the upside, how many liquidity pools are there to the downside. A practical silver bullets entry trade according to ICT. And everything was set in stone for you to take. So way in advance, we knew where to place our limit order, where to place our stop loss, where to take our first profit, when to go to break even, when to take profits that was generated during the actual trade itself as well. So this is a great example of how you can use the script itself. And once we go back to the real chart and disable the algorithm, you will see that instead of 6 contracts, I entered with 7 due to I tried to add a runner contract potentially. I bought 7 here, sold 1 there, and then we got stopped out at break even. So this was a $900 day for me. And this is also just to prove a point in regards to I put money behind my words, like to show you guys I'm not just all words. I actually trade the algorithm as well once there is a setup. So proof of concept, you got your entries, everything was bullish, it showed you what to look for and where to enter and exit your trades. So hopefully you liked this case study and hopefully you made some money with it as well. I myself made 950 bucks with this. If you had traded the Nasdaq, then I think it would have been, if I'm correct, 10,000 something. Yeah, if you would have traded the Nasdaq, you would have had 10,500. But due to the fact that I did this with my live broker, AMP Global, AMP Live, as you can see, I didn't have the margin to trade that. So yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be kept up to date in regards to the daily biases that I give daily. And yeah, talk to you guys next time. So bye bye.
In the morning light, markets take their flight.